Did you know there's a place where your body can truly heal? At Nirvana Nature Healing, everything starts with understanding you. A 10-day wellness program to reset your body and mind. You meet a doctor first, your health is assessed, and everything is planned for you. Your diet, therapies, and routine. A place to heal your ailments naturally. Your days include yoga, meditation, and therapies like hydrotherapy, mud therapy, steam, sound healing, and massages. The food? A clean, healing diet to detox and nourish your body. In just 10 days, you can feel the difference. Stay in peaceful luxury villas designed for complete relaxation. Starting at 4,000 rupees per night for individuals and 7,000 rupees per night for two. Nirvana Nature Healing Pre-Launch. Come, experience the change.